Hello everyone. So today let's talk about how the inductive effect helps us to compare the stability of carbocation. Now, what is carbocation? Carbocation is a positively charged carbon atom and it's quite unstable. Unstable because it is a reactive intermediate. Let me show you the structure of carbocation. This is your carbocation. Carbon atom having plus charge. Being a reactive. Now, as you know, being the action intermediate, carbocation is quite unstable as carbocation is an electron deficient species. Now, what do I mean by electron deficient species? That is, कार्बोकेटाइन पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कमी है. कार्बन का जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो किसी और एटम के पास जा चुका है. So, any charged species is unstable. What we can do to neutralize this positive charge is that, see, in by negative effect, there are few electron donating groups and there are few electron withdrawing groups. Here your electron donating groups, electron donating groups, that is your alkyl groups, are your electron donating groups. Now you can see, if this is your carbocation, this is electron deficient. Now all the alkyl groups will donate electrons to this carbon. Electron donating groups like alkyl groups push electron towards the carbocation. Thus, it reduces the positive charge and increases the stability. This is your stable carbocation. The criteria to neutralize the charge is, see, this is your carbocation. This is your alkyl group. All these are your alkyl group. These are electron donating groups. And this is your carbocation. And they will donate electron to this positive charged carbon to neutralize the charge to and make it stable. If there are two, let's say alkyl group, and there is and this is, there is no alkyl group. Now the stability of carbocation is like this. This is the order of stability of carbocation, that is 3-degree carbocation, 2-degree carbocation, and 1-degree carbocation, and last one is CH3 carbocation. These are stabilizers by 3 alkyl groups which are donating electron to make to make the positive charge neutralize. Now you can summarize all these factors of stability of carbocation like, the stability of carbocation is directly proportional to your plus I strength and inversely proportional to your minus I strength. That is, all the electron donating group increases the stability of carbocation and all the electron withdrawing group decreases the stability of carbocation. The factors vary same for free radical. Free radical. Now, as you know, a free radical is also a electron deficient species. Being an electron deficient species, same as for carbocation, all plus I groups increases the stability of free radical, and minus I groups or electron withdrawing groups decreases the stability of free radical. Same as carbocation. Same as carbocation. Now, what is carbonan? Carbonan is a negatively charged carbon atom, and it loves to hold on to electrons, but this negative charge needs stabilization. Now, how you can stabilize a negative charge? If you neutralize the charge, the species will be stable. No species wants to be charged. Let me show you. This is your carbonan. It is negatively charged species. Negatively charged species. Now, if it is negatively charged species, that means it is now carbonan can be stabilized by neutralizing this negative charge. How you can neutralize the negative charge? By adding electron withdrawing groups. Okay, that is, you can add more electronegative groups so they can pull electrons away from the carbonan. This will help to spread out the negative charge, making the carbonan more stable. Let me show you groups like, so for carbonan minus I group will increase the stability of the carbonan by neutralizing the negative charge on the carbon atom. Now let me share. For carbonan, stability is directly proportional to minus I effect and inversely proportional to your plus I effect. More minus I groups is there around carbonan means your carbonan is more stable. More plus I groups are there around your carbonan, it means your carbonan is least stable. Okay, for carbocation, your plus I effect, more plus I groups are around carbocation, your carbocation will be more stable, means the stability of carbocation is directly proportional to your plus I power and inversely proportional to your minus I power. Okay, now we have understood the inductive effect completely. In the next session we will discuss some questions related to inductive effect only, and the questions which are previously asked in your UPPGT exam or in other PGT exams. We will solve all those questions which are related to inductive effect. Thank you. The order of
Here I'm showing the
the order
order of
of
stability
stability
of
of carbanion will
carbanion,
be
and in the last of this video I will add some images which shows the order of stability of cation, carbanion and free radical affected by
more alkyl groups means the least stable carbanion. Okay, so we have done inductive effect and types of inductive effect, applications of inductive effect. Now we will discuss some questions which are previously asked in all the PGT exams in next video. Till then, stay tuned. Take care. Bye.